Hey guys, it's Alex here, and today I'm with HighFox20 for his channel. Today we're going to be doing a alternator installation video. We're covering installations on a 40th anniversary edition of the 2004 Mustang V6 3.9 liter convertible. The PA Performance 130 AMP 6th generation power-coated red alternator is a direct replacement. First of all, we will start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal right here. There we go. Next, the electrical terminals from the alternator, like so. And you gotta use now we're gonna pull up the tensioner and release the belt.
Careful, you put it back down.
Lastly, removing the main bolts holding it to the engine. So now that we have that set in, installation is as easy as the reverse of uninstalling it. So now we're gonna get through this in a breeze. Now that everything's reconnected, we're going to turn it on and see how it's running. Okay guys, remember to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave questions or comments. Thanks for watching.